We start rules for rounding off. If any number is given and if you want to round off the number, what are the rules we have to learn under this article? Now see here. The following are rules used for dropping the figure. Means rules to round off a number. The first rule: if the digit to be dropped is less than 5, the next digit to be written in left unchanged. For example, if this is a number, you can see a number 5.34 and is to be rounded off to two significant figures. Then we have to see this number 4. This number 4 we have to drop, then only we get a number with two significant figures. Then the number we have to drop is less than 5. Then we have to retain the previous digit. So see here, we have to drop this 4 and which is less than 5. Hence the next digit, namely means next digit is 3, is not changed. So the round off number is 5.3. Another example we can see 5.682. We have to round up this number to three significant figure. Means we have to drop this 2. So if you want to drop the number and if this number is less than 5, then we can retain a previous number. So we get a round of a number 5.68. So I hope you understood the rule number 1. Now rule number 2 you can see. If the digit to be dropped more than 5, whatever the digit we have to drop, it is more than 5. Then the preceding digit to be retained is increased. Preceding digit to be retained is increased by 1. See here. If it is more than 5, then we have to see here. So this number we have to round up to three significant figures. Then we have to drop this 6, and this 6 is more than 5. As this 6 is more than 5, then the preceding digit is 3. The 3 we have to increase by 1. So 7.54 is the answer. I hope everyone understood. If digit is more than 5, which whatever the digit we have to drop, it is more than 5, then the preceding digit we have to increase by 1. Another example we can see 8.328. So we have to round up this number up to three significant figures. Means we have to drop this 8. The 8 is greater than 5. So the preceding digit is 2. We have to increase by 1. So 8.3233 now. The 2 is increased by 1. So 8.33 is the answer. Now the next rule. If digit to be dropped is equal to 5. Okay, if it is less than 5, then we retain the preceding digit. Greater than 5, then we increase the preceding digit by 1. But if it is equal to 5, then what happens? So for that, two cases are there. If the preceding digit to be written is increased by 1 if it is odd. If it is odd. The preceding digit is written unchanged if it is even. Now let me see. If the digit to be dropped happen to 5, then these are the two rules. So let I explain these two rules with the help of simple example. So 6.75. This number we have to round up. Means we have to drop this 5. We have to drop this 5. Then preceding digit we have to see. So preceding digit is 7. And 7 is odd. 7 is odd. So this 7 we have to increase by 1. 7 we have to increase by 1. So 6.8 is the answer. Now another example. So where rule number 2 is applicable, that we have to see. The preceding digit is to be written unchanged if it is even. Now see here, this is number. So we have to drop this 5. Let's see the previous number. No, here it is again. The odd number is there. the preceding digit is 9, and 9 is odd, so it is increased by 1. So 9 increased by 1 means we get 5.0 as the round up number. Now see here. So rule number 2 is applicable for this example. 3.45. We have to drop this 5. So preceding digit is 4 and this 4 is a even. So as 4 is the even, so preceding digit we have to keep unchanged. So 3.4 is the answer. So you note one thing here. So digit you want to drop is even, then the preceding digit you have to keep unchanged. If it is preceding digit is odd, then you have to increase it by 1. See, let's see some more examples. 6.835. So you have to round up this number to 3 significant figures. So you have to drop this 5. So see the preceding digit is 2 and 2 is even, so no change in that. So 6.82 is the answer. I hope everyone understood this. Similar manner, if it is 6.835, we have to drop this 5. The preceding digit is 3, which is odd, so we have to increase it by 1. So 6.84 is the answer. Similar manner, the rules you can apply to another examples also. Now, rules for finding significant figures. So we already learned significant figure means what, how to determine significant figures. But here we have to learn rules to find significant figures in addition and subtraction.